Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix slow performance and lags on iPad Air 13 2026. First of all, let's make sure that our device is updated to the latest version. Go to Settings, open General on the sidebar, go to Software Update, and check for any available software updates. If you don't have any, then go back to General, check your device's storage, and see how much you have left. For the optimal workflow, you have to have at least 10 gigabytes of storage free. So if you have your storage clogged up, which you can easily see on this colored bar, then you're gonna have to unclog it. You can either use iCloud storage, you can simply delete large files from your iPad. You can also find your Safari web browser and clear its data, like website data, where you can clear your device's website data, and this way you can clear the cache of your browser. And after that, your performance should improve. Also, you can open the recent apps. Generally speaking, your tablet is designed in a way to manage your apps in the background seamlessly, but if you have too many opened, you're gonna most probably need to close some of them that you aren't using. Simply swipe them up, get rid of them, and generally speaking, if you don't have any place to store your storage at, but you still want to improve your device's performance, you can go back to General Settings, scroll down to Background App Refresh, and disable this feature by switching this toggle off, which is also gonna improve your device's performance. And lastly, simply try to restart your device by holding down power button and the volume up key, or volume down, I'm still not sure which one it is, and then slide this toggle to the right to power your device off, and then relaunch it by short pressing the power button. This will also clear the temporary data on your iPad and will help it work more productively. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.